We've put together a beautiful 565 here for a customer in Tasmania, Rob Perry. He's asked us for our advice throughout the whole build, and we've worked very closely with Rob to get the boat to where it needs to be and where he wanted it to be, more importantly. So basically, we started out with a 200 power plant initially. We decided to go to the 225, not for any particular reason. There's not a great deal of difference between them, but it's nice to have that 225 behind it, in the V6 model, by the way. We did some water testing with it, which surprised all of us. 84, 85 k's isn't a problem. We actually hit 86, 87 and topped out at 88, so pretty impressive. We've gone for a Simrad 12-inch, which is a nice fit for the dash as well. We've gone for a Fusion stereo system. Basic stuff overall, but making it work for Rob. Rocket launchers, clears, biminis, all that sort of gear on an easy tow trailer. What you'll notice on this trailer though, Rob's opted for the electric brakes, and we always recommend electric brakes if you're going to be loading the boat up, especially when you're filling this big tank up of 220 litres and you're hitting the highway with your mates. Guys, put the electric brakes on. If it's only a local boat and using it locally, you can get away without it. But other than that, we've got our trailer bra, obviously a spare wheel, beautiful bow rails. The stainless steel just gleams on this boat. It's beautiful. And yeah, overall, she's a beautiful package. Basically, we've built this boat without an inspection up until recently, obviously with what we've been through in the last 12, 15 months. But Rob did manage to get down here recently with his daughter Alicia, and yeah, he came down, we showed him through and loved what he saw and was ecstatic, and he's a wonderful guy, so is his family, and we wish him all the best using this boat out at sea in Tasmania.